In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit expenses on Expensify 2025. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take an expense report that's ready to go and actually submit it for approval and reimbursement. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Expensify. Make sure you're using the most up-to-date link your company has provided and log in with your usual account credentials. If you have multiple workspaces or organizations in Expensify, double check that you're in the correct account where your work expenses are tracked. This helps you avoid submitting reports to the wrong place. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Reports. This is where Expensify groups your expense reports, including drafts, open reports, and those that have already been submitted or approved. Go ahead and click on Reports to open that page. On the Reports page, you'll see a list of your expense reports. These might be organized by date, status, or other filters. What you want to look for is the report that is ready to be submitted. Usually, this is the report where you've already added all your receipts and expenses and everything looks complete. Next, locate the checkbox or selection box next to the report you want to submit. This is typically a small square that you can click to select that specific report. Click on that box so that the report is highlighted or marked as selected. If your company allows you to submit more than one report at a time, you could select multiple boxes, but most people will just choose one report. With the report selected, look towards the top or bottom of the screen for the Submit option. This is often a button labeled Submit that becomes active once a report is selected. Click on Submit to send the report to your approver. After you click Submit, Expensify may show you a brief confirmation message, or you might see the status of the report change from open or draft to submitted. At this point, your job is done. Your approver will review the report and you can check back in the report section later to see updates on its status. And that's how you submit expenses on Expensify 2025, from logging in to selecting your report to sending it off for approval.